Your head on my shoulder.
Okay everybody, the food is done, the snack is done, and I'll show you the close-up. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. I was trying to like decorate here but I couldn't, but yeah, it's crispy, it's nice, and yeah, so I'll taste now. Let's see how it tastes like. Oh yeah. That's my cat. Yeah, it's like really good. If you guys add more mozzarella cheese, that would be perfect. But it's really good. So yeah, I really liked it. It's just fabulous. It's just amazing. Like honestly, it's great. And I'll finish this later. Don't worry, but I won't do it. But yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked it, and my cat says hi and bye at the same time. Well guys, make sure you like the video and comment on it. Like always, I'll feel good. And yeah, like the video, comment on it, and the main thing, subscribe my channel. That would mean a lot. And that's it for today. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, See you guys.
Goodbye to the people who hated on me. Goodbye to the people who loved me. Goodbye to the people who trusted me. Goodbye, goodbye to everybody.